In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master your Slack paid plan features. If you've recently upgraded to a Slack paid plan, this is where things start to get much more powerful. Paid plans unlock features that go far beyond basic chat, including unlimited message history, secure collaboration with outside partners, built-in automation, shared Canvas documents, and workspace analytics. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start using the most valuable premium tools so you can get more out of what you're already paying for. Let's begin with Slack Connect, which lets you collaborate with external partners in a shared channel without adding them as guests. In the left-hand sidebar, click Create, then choose Channel. You can also click the plus button next to Channels. Give the channel a clear name, decide whether it should be public or private, and then click Create. Once the channel is open, look in the channel header for the option to connect with another company or invite external partners. Enter your partner's work email address or their Slack workspace URL, then send the invitation. After they accept, both teams can work together in the same channel while staying inside their own separate Slack workspaces. Next, let's automate repetitive tasks with Workflow Builder. Click your workspace name in the top left corner, then go to Tools or in some workspaces Settings and Administration and open Workflow Builder. Click the green Create Workflow button to begin. Choose a trigger that fits your process, such as when a new person joins a channel or on a schedule. From there, add the actions you need. You can set it to send a message automatically, which is useful for welcome notes, reminders, or resource links. You can also choose Collect Info with a form to gather updates, requests, or onboarding details in a more organized way. When everything looks right, click Publish in the top right corner to make the workflow live. Now let's look at Slack Canvas. Open any channel or direct message, then click the Canvas icon in the top right corner of the header. A blank document panel will open beside the conversation. Inside the canvas, type a / to bring up the formatting menu. From there, you can add checklists, tables, videos, files, and even interactive workflows. This is especially helpful for shared notes, team guides, and ongoing project documentation because everything is saved and searchable later. Finally, you can track workspace usage with Team Analytics. Click your workspace name, go to Tools, then Analytics, or use the Workspace Analytics option under Settings and Administration. Review the dashboard to see daily active users, uploaded files, and which channels are getting the most engagement. This helps you identify what's working, clean up inactive channels, and improve how your team uses Slack. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. The